In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about how Phoenix converts Ecto exceptions into a 404 experience. So here we have our Get Shorty application, and this is the details page for a short link. Basically, we've got the token area, and then we've got /details, and because it's /details, it'll run the show controller method. So if we look at the implementation currently, for show inside of the short link controller, we'll see that it runs short links get short link by token, and there are two responses. It can return OK with the short link that was found, or it can return error and not found. In the case of not found, it explicitly will show how to present a 404 experience. And one of the reasons this was done is because this project is mostly for educational purposes, and so it's beneficial to kind of show how everything works out. However, in a production environment, you're actually much more likely to run into a scenario like this. So let me uncomment a different implementation of show. So now inside of show, we run get short link by token exclamation point. And this, if we actually look at the implementation, will run repo.getBy exclamation point. And the idea here is that this will attempt to load the resource, and if it doesn't found, it'll throw an Ecto.NoResultsError exception. Now, Phoenix is actually set up to swallow that exception and present a 404 experience. However, it's not particularly easy to kind of locate it. So if you search your project for Ecto.NoResultsError, and I'll hide the build files, like you'll see my references to it in my own context and test, but you don't see anything relevant to a actual Phoenix project. In fact, if you go into the Phoenix project and you search Ecto.NoResultsError, you won't find anything here either. And the reason for that is because it's actually part of a sub-project called Phoenix_Ecto. So when you built your project and you look in your mix.exe file, because we auto-created this Phoenix project with Ecto, it included the Phoenix Ecto dependency. And this is the actual dependency that kind of creates the glue between Ecto and the Phoenix experience. And so when we look at the source code inside of the project here, you'll see that these are the kind of errors that they have documented, and these are the status codes that they will get resolved to. If you actually want to build your own experience, so let's say you want to hide Ecto from your context and you don't want to leak that your context is actually building stuff with Ecto, you could in fact create your own exceptions, have your context throw those exceptions, and then even catch them with this basically plug.exception for, and then do your own mapping inside of Phoenix. Now, as to which is the better way to go, should you rely on the Phoenix Ecto glue code, or do you do your own presentation of 404, that's kind of up to you, but it's definitely something you should consider when you're designing your system. Thanks for watching.